Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to request access on Google Drive. Alright, let's get it started. So the first step is to go to your Google Drive, and once you go to Google Drive, here you can see I have some files over here. So here you can see these two files, they are already shared with email address. So now let's try to share this presentation. Here let's click on share, and once you click on share over here, you can add the email address. So for example, I'm just going to copy this, and let me open our Google Drive over here, and let's paste the link. Alright, so over here you can see when you open this link, you can see we can request the access. So here you can give some message. So for example, I'm just going to give the message. Now let's click on request access. Alright, so the request has been sent. So over here I'm going to open my Gmail. So let's open our Gmail over here, and let's see if we got the request. So here you can see we have a share request. So once you click on a request, the owner of the file will get this sort of email, and what they have to do is here you have the option for the owner. So I'm just going to give this access as the editor and type a message, click on share. Alright, so the file has been shared. So now let's reload this page, and here you can see we have file with the access. So yeah, that is how you will be able to request access in Google Drive. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.